Hello my friends, today we're doing part 4 of the build with the horizontal hive. Now it's time to cut the grooves to join the planks together. I unfortunately didn't have a tongue and groove, but I've got a very similar cut. I'll show you the pattern when I'm done. This is what the pattern looks like on the one side. Once I've cut the other side, I will show you what that pattern looks like and how they fit together. One thing I just need to stress as well, when you work with dangerous tools, be very cautious, because the finger goes very quickly. Okay, with all the grooves cut on the one side, we're now going to change the cutter knives so that we can do the other side of the joints. When in doubt, use a hammer. Bigger the doubt, the bigger the hammer. Now that I'm busy here, the joke I've heard before is the engineer that got called out to a fault at a factory, and he looked at the fault and he just gave the one component a small clout with a hammer. He then gave his invoice for his work done, and the customer immediately complained and he said, you know, you're charging me 1,050 rand for one clout of a hammer. It doesn't seem fair. And the engineer politely told him 50 rand is for clouting with the hammer. The 1,000 Rand is for knowing where to clout. Another piece of useless information, I assume. When you install cut heads, just always make sure they're nice and tight. You don't want one of these things jumping out at you at 13,000 RPM. But I doubt even if wearing safety glasses would prevent you from getting hurt when that happens. But whenever you work, if you feel the need, use your safety glasses. Me personally, the only reason I don't really use them when I think it's not necessary is they seem to obstruct my vision too much. But that does not say you shouldn't wear them. Yeah, there we've got quite a nice joint. I would have preferred a tongue and groove, but this will look quite nice on the outside of the hive too.